I don't know what the heck I'm doing right now. Okay, guys, so I guess this is technically the first time I've done a face appearance on the channel. Yeah, so right now, you see a lot of computer stuff. Oops, that is not supposed to be there. Now you see a lot of computer stuff. Yeah, we're gonna be opening this bad boy out, getting a few components out, and then we are going to be building my dream gaming computer. Obviously dream is like 3090 Ti. That's never gonna happen. But this is still gonna be a super OP computer. And I'm super hyped for this, so let's just get right in. Now the first step here is opening up our old computer here and getting some parts. So I'm gonna have to move the camera and I'll see you in a second. So now we got this taken care of. See this beautiful thing. You see that I kind of but yeah, let's open this up. Now you can see the inside of this bad boy. The lighting might not be the best. Basically this pin here, if you can see that, you probably can't see that. It's like a weird 6-pin thing. And this is what provides power to the entire motherboard. It is a custom pin that you cannot order on retail. So there's no adapters or anything. Okay, it's running out of battery. So I kind of forgot what I was saying before this ran out of batteries, but basically, remember I was saying this has a custom thing, it's cool to use this, yeah. So we need to get a few components out of this basically. And that's about it. So the only upgrades I actually could do on this thing was I installed some better RAM. Yeah, that's about it. Okay, so now I can put the Dell Inspiron away for the last time. You served me well. What's next? Well, now we can start with the actual build. So this is the part that I've been looking forward to for so long. Okay, so this is my bad. I did a really bad job of recording this, but I'm just gonna throw it into a quick little montage and probably explain with text what I'm doing. After doing all that and getting in solid state drive and a few other things, it was done. After 12 hours of work, both hardware and software, the computer was done. I did end up having to take it to a technician to get a graphics card problem fixed. It wasn't my bad, it was just a manufacturing problem. But after all that time, it was finally done.